Breaking December 29th, 2025. A massive bomb cyclone is slamming the US Midwest and Great Lakes, unleashing life threatening blizzards, hurricane force winds, and whiteout conditions. This is no ordinary storm. It's exploding in intensity right now. Blizzard warnings hit millions in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan's Upper Peninsula, lower, and more, with up to 2 feet of snow along Lake Superior shores. Near zero visibility, winds over 50 miles per hour, and sub zero wind chilling make travel potentially deadly. Officials say stay off the roads. Thousands of flights already cancelled, highways shut down, and post holiday travel is total chaos. Over 10 million under winter alerts, with power outages and tree damage likely. In the northeast, freezing rain adds icy damage. This bomb cyclone is a monster. Forecasters call it life threatening. Whiteouts bury cars, snow plows struggles, and conditions could last into Tuesday. Arctic air blasts in behind it, dropping temps even lower. Like if you were snowed in. Subscribe for real time storm updates and comment how bad is it where you are. Stay safe out there.